Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back. So today I figured I'd take the car out for a little POV drive. I had got this new GoPro mic and I was wanting to test it out because in the past videos the quality of the GoPro without a mic has just been kind of like really low and it was hard to hear. I was having to raise the volume a lot in my editing software. So figured I'd buy this, test it out, see how it works. So hopefully this mic will pick up the audio a whole lot better and pick up the exhaust note and everything. And today all I was really wanting to go over is just kind of some different topics with the car, kind of where I'm at with it and kind of what my plans are. So as many of you know, I was going to order a coilover setup. I was going to do coilovers in the front, and then I was going to do some Maximum Motorsport adjustable control arms in the rear, and I was going to give my car like the perfect height and obviously do some suspension stuff. I just really didn't feel like spending that money at the moment, and I think I'm just kind of a little unmotivated with the car, mainly because it's probably just cold and I don't really get the car out as much as I used to. So I think the weather is a big reason why I kind of didn't do it, just because I haven't been driving the car. And for next year I do plan on doing a lot of stuff before Mustang week, because I don't want to put off everything like I usually do until about a month out or so, and then I'm trying to put all these parts on and try to get everything ready. And another way to show you guys how unmotivated I've been with the car, I got offered a really good deal on a Vortec V2 kit, and it was gonna be a used kit. He bought it used and he's trying to sell it to me used. It was a Vortec V2 kit. He already had an oil pan that was already drilled into, so I wouldn't have to do all that, and he was gonna sell me that plus a treadstone intercooler, and then I think he was going to throw in some other stuff for a little extra cash, just like a bigger throttle body and a better intake manifold. But he offered me that for $3,500, and I haven't fully backed out of the deal yet, but I haven't said yes, just because I told him if it was still for sale, maybe I'll buy it. But also I have bigger plans for the car too. Yes, I do want the same boosted, but I'm not necessarily sure if I want to boost a 2-valve or if I want to like swap in the future and just kind of stack my money instead of wasting money on a blower kit or a turbo kit. But this guy, the reason he was wanting to sell it is because he had a 750 horsepower 2-valve back in the day. Then he ended up selling that, and I guess now he's got another 2-valve, and it was like bone stock, and he found that used kit, and then he just said he was kind of wanting more power and wanting to go back to like a better setup. So he said he's gonna sell that, and then he was gonna go into a Coyote swap, and I think he said he's gonna throw some kind of boost on there too. So that car's gonna be absolutely nasty. Who knows though, if he still has a kit, I mean, I might just buy it just because, you know, obviously I want this thing to be faster. I don't know exactly what my plans are with it. I'm still in the search for some type of daily too. Might try to see how the quality is with windows down. I love 2-valves and everything, but like, they're really good cars for what they are. But there's just a little part of me that just wants to go get a Coyote and just like dump my money into that and just kind of leave this car the way it sits as like my first car, like first Mustang, whatever, and just kind of have this just chilling and like a cool car to take out on the weekends maybe, but just dump my money into something else. It's like a better platform. But I feel like most of you guys that own a New Edge or have on a New Edge, I feel like you would understand what I mean whenever I say something like that. I mean, this is a good platform, don't get me wrong. It's just, at the end of the day, it is a New Edge. I know that might hurt some people's feelings, but I mean, it's a really fun car to drive. They sound good, they look good, riskier pull right here, but I'm probably just gonna spin like crazy. But I guess we'll see. There's no hope of getting traction right there at all. Well, I guess that's pretty much all I'm gonna have for you guys today. I hope you guys did enjoy. I know it wasn't nothing crazy, but I just kind of want to get the car out, test this mic, and then I figured I'd go and film it and go and post it too if it turned out good enough. But other than that, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I think we're like 15 away or something at this point, so I definitely think we can do it. And I guess I'll catch you guys on the next one.